everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my English class in ARSA FLC. In the previous meeting, we already learned about procedure text. Today, we're going to see an example of procedure text. In this lesson, you are expected to master the writing and speaking skill of procedure text. So, please watch this video carefully.
Hello, my name's Shasha. Today, I'd like to share with you how to make my favorite food. It is fruit salad. I like it a lot. Well, my friends, here is the recipe of delicious fruit salad. First of all, let's see the tools and ingredients that we need to make the fruit salad. Before making the fruit salad, we have to prepare 3 medium cups, a cutting board, a fruit peeler, a knife, and a cheese grater. Ingredients that we need are mangoes, kiwis, orange, melon, grapes, apples, pears, granola chips, yogurt, cheese, and milk. Now, I'd like to show you the steps of making fruit salad. Firstly, wash and peel the fruits. Next, slice the fruits and dice them. After that, layer the fruits into the cups. And then pour the yogurt and milk into the cups. Next, grate the cheese. Put the cheese on top of the salad and add some granola chips. Finally, your delicious fruit salad is ready to serve. You can refrigerate it before eating. Now it's time to enjoy the salad. It's really fresh and delicious. So, try to make your own at home. Good luck!
So guys, what's your favorite food? Let me know it in the comment box of this video. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification.